I'm going to experiment with a recipe that I found that claimed to be keto or keto friendly. I have to admit I don't know a lot about keto, and I don't have exactly all the ingredients. I substituted a little bit. Hopefully this is keto close enough. This is a creamy keto blackberry smoothie. Let's see what we get. I'm going to use my single serving blender cup for my Vitamix. I'm going to start off with 1 cup, 120 grams of frozen blackberries. And then, this is what intrigued me, heavy cream. There's heavy cream in this. And I need about 1/4 cup, which is about 60 milliliters. I have a little measuring cup here that I'm using. Okay. 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and then 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and that's about 1/4 cup right there. Again, 60 milliliters. Put that in there, and then almond milk. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters. Okay, put that in there. Then it says 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I keep mine in a little dropper bottle. I know one of these little dropper squirts is 1/4 teaspoon. Finally, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, and then, because I know this isn't going to be very sweet, I have here a little packet of stevia. I'm not going to put the whole packet in there. I'm going to put in just maybe half of it for a little bit of sweetener. All right. Put my blender bottom on there, tighten that down, and that is ready to blend. Gonna start at number 1 to break up those frozen berries, and then once those are broken up, I'll increase the speed. I imagine this needs to blend about maybe 30-35 seconds. All right, let's see what I got there. After I opened this up, it was a little bit too thick, I thought, so I added another 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of almond milk. When I write this up, I'll put that adjustment in my recipe that I have online. There's my smoothie, and that looks good. So it obviously makes 1 serving. All right. Last step is to taste that and see what it tastes like. This is an interesting smoothie. This is the first time I've made a smoothie with heavy cream in it. Boy, it's got a nice coconut and berry flavor to it. But it is creamy, not overly sweet. I think it did benefit from a little bit of stevia. That's a nice flavor. I like that. That's good. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my creamy keto blackberry smoothie.